Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was talking to you guys for like 15 minutes and realized that I didn't hit the record button. I am on my way to work today, so sorry if the background noise is a little bit loud. I did miss last week's upload and I apologize for that. I was just going through some stuff and I needed a little break. I did attempt to film vlogmas in the beginning, so I'm gonna include my day one, which is really me wrapping Christmas presents.
I actually didn't have a video planned this week. I thought maybe I would just do some gift wrapping with you guys. I hope you guys had a great holiday break. I did do a lot of shopping. I was planning on doing vlogmas, however, I think I'm just gonna stick to weekly vlogmas instead. Everyday life is not that interesting for me. I'm just gonna show you guys some of the things that I got for people as a Christmas present because we're gonna wrap them today. I'm gonna be showing the ones that I know that they're not gonna watch because I don't want anybody to know what I got them. First thing that I am going to wrap today, I got the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. This is actually my favorite scent. It is like a light florally. It is kind of similar to the Coco Chanel perfume. Jo Malone is a popular brand right now. It probably has been popular for a while, but it just takes me a long time to get in the loop. This is a 2-set travel perfume. The scents are wood, sage, and sea salt, English pear, and freesia. I don't know what that means. I liked the smell of the pear one in the store. The person that I'm giving this to liked the sage one. Next thing is this Ordinary serum. I got a Kate Spade bag. It comes with a gold chain, so you can use it as a shoulder bag. My arm is a little too big for that, but it's okay because the person I'm doing this to is different than me. It also comes with a strap, so you can make it a crossbody. I'm also gifting some blind boxes to people. I got this hand cream. I also got them this lip oil as well from Nature Republic. I think that's all the gifts I'm gonna be wrapping. But another thing I wanted to show y'all is this Target shopping cart. It's so adorable. Don't ask me why I have it, okay? I just do. I'm using this wrapping paper that I got from Target. It has polar bears in sweaters and scarves in it. Another thing I'm doing this year is glass painting. I outlined it in black paint and you go back and paint it. I have all of my paint supplies out, but I haven't yet to start on them. I've just been very tired and procrastinating. This is an unflattering angle of me. Oh, it should fit. I'm so excited for this upcoming holiday break. Oh my god, these are cute. There's this one, which looks like a sweater pattern. This says Holly Mistletoe Fresh Cut. This is another plaid one. There's a snowflake one. I don't think it's gonna fit in this box. Plan B, maybe this will fit better. It's a perfect fit. I bought some tissue paper from Target and it got ripped. I'm sorry if these angles are horrible, guys. We're just gonna wrap it like this. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. We got one present done. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
On day 2, I went to go get my hair done, so I'm gonna insert that clip there. If you guys are in the Orange County area and you are looking to get your hair done, please go to Twisted Salon and ask for Nick. They really work well with Asian hair. My hair doesn't feel super dead whenever I leave the salon, even after I wash it after like a couple of days or weeks or even months. Felt a little bit of FOMO not doing vlogmas because of seeing all the YouTubers that I have watched. Every time I try it, it just doesn't work out. I thought that this was the year for me, but I'm just gonna have to wait another year. I decided to get into journaling. It's a new hobby that I wanted to try. I went to my bookstore and the librarian there, I guess there's a viral TikTok journal she recommended to me. It's basically supposed to help you heal your past self and look into your shadows, find your triggers and what makes you anxious. I also purchased 2 other journals, which I'll show you guys once I get home today. I also went to Target to get the cranberry fizz poppy that's like going viral right now. I had to drive 30 minutes away because they were sold out everywhere around me. I only started drinking poppy because I would watch Kim Tai. I don't really taste a lot of the cranberry. It is pretty pricey, but 1 can of poppy is like $2.50 anyways. If it's within your means, I would just try it just because it is limited edition and it's the holidays. After work, I'm gonna have to go to the orthodontist. I went to a comedy show and I saw Shang Wang. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. He was super funny and super nice. Hopefully I can go back to bringing you guys fun content, and thank you so much again for the support in my Disneyland videos. They were the most fun to edit for me, but Disney gets very expensive, so I cannot go all the time. I will see you guys after work. Yes, it is a new day. I did promise you guys I would show you guys the journals that I've been doing. So I also just had an interview today. I tried my best. That's why I look a little bit better than usual. This is the other journal that I got. This is more of a philosophical viewpoint of a journal. I do like it because throughout the journal it makes you reflect and go back on your previous entries so you can see how you're changing. And then this other one I got, this journal is mainly about self-care and it gives you some practices and ideas of what you can do. But I think I'm gonna start this one later because I also got the Atomic Habits book. I feel like I'm starting so many things at once and I need to relax. But I will keep you guys updated on that when I work more on these journals in the future. But I just wanted to show you what I bought. Don't mind the mess in this place. I just wanted to show you my outfit. This jacket and this top is from Uniqlo. I got this skirt from Love Bonito. I'm working on some Christmas presents in here. That's why it looks like a freaking mess. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this